Well, it's begun.
We made it to NIRVC in Lawrenceville, Georgia, just outside of Atlanta. And today they're going to begin repairing the damage from the collision.
Yeah, we stayed here overnight in the parking lot. We're plugged in, 50 amp, and it was comfortable.
Really nice people staying here also, getting various things done or even buying new coaches. We've met a lot of really nice folks.
Yeah, so it's so far starting out pretty good.
Absolutely. Here we go.
Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Stacy.
I'm Tom, and we're RV Texas, y'all.
We are native Texans and full-time RVers who are all about exploring the great state of Texas and beyond, one campground at a time. We're on a mission to experience life, not just live it, and we're bringing you along for the fun.
In 2018, we sold our house, our business, and got rid of most everything we owned to hit the road and see America. Our home is a 33-foot RV named Freedom. We installed an extreme solar and lithium setup, so now we can just about live anywhere with our dog Star and our cat Astro.
Every day is a new adventure, so join us as we RV America, y'all.
Wow. I mean,
First day, serious progress.
yeah, I mean, actually second day, but the first day all they did, they just wanted to assess the damage, take pictures and stuff for the insurance company. So this is actually our second day here, and man.
First day of work, and
Yeah.
wow, what a difference already.
Yeah, it's going great. We're staying in here tonight, which is really awesome.
Yeah.
So they can get started first thing in the morning.
Yep.
And no problem with us, because, you know, whatever can help this thing move along, we're all for it. They've been wonderful to deal with, you know.
Yeah, it's turning out really great so far.
So far, we'll see. We're going to keep this going and give you, I don't know if it'll always be a day-by-day deal, but, you know, we're going to keep it rolling, show you the progress, and, you know, hopefully we're very surprised on the other end, and I think we will be.
We heard from some viewers who have had similar work done here,
Yeah.
and all of them said it turned out great. So
Yes.
we have very high expectations, and after seeing this work that they got done in day one, that is definitely being met so far. So thank you to everyone who sent us notes or left comments about your experiences. It really made us feel better about the whole situation.
Yeah, one of them was a King Air.
Yeah.
And they showed the damage. It was just like our damage, and it looked brand new again. So we're looking forward to it, and so far very happy with what's going on.
Absolutely.
We'll keep you in touch. Well, after the second day actually in the shop for repairs, here's what they did. They actually did the same thing as they did the first day. They just did it a second time. So here's where we're at. So now we're going into the weekend. We're going to stay in it over the weekend, and then on Monday, it's going to go into the shop because they're going to start painting it, and we're going to go stay at a hotel for a couple nights so they can get her painted. But everything's going great. Well, it was a pretty good couple nights here.
Yeah, we came over to the Home 2 Suites here in Beaufort, Georgia, which is just maybe 15-20 minutes from National Indoor RV Center in Lawrenceville.
Yeah, they were painting our coach, so we couldn't stay in it while they were painting it, and for obvious reasons. But it is painted. They got it done in the time they said they were going to get it done. We're excited to go see it because it's already out. And it's curing right now as it sits on the lot because they're going to put the diamond shield on it in a few days. So they told me they just got that scheduled too. So it's coming together.
Yeah, and again, Astro and Star did really good in the hotel. And we appreciate these hotels that allow the fur babies to come along. That's really important for us.
Home 2 Suites, this is the second time now that we stayed in the Home 2 Suites, and we really like it.
Yep.
They do a great job.
They do. So let's go see it.
Yes.
You ready, Star?
You ready, Star?
I guess so.
You can see they got us painted up. It looks great. And they got that done on day 3. So things are really progressing fine. Today they have us in getting some warranty work and stuff done while we're here. They're gonna let the paint cure for several days here because they need to put the diamond shield on the front, and they can't do that until the paint cures a little bit and the gel coat. And we also the headlight you saw probably earlier, we're getting the headlight worked on. They sent it back to Jason, the RV headlight guy, and in Indiana for Master Tech RV, and so he's probably going to get it today, get it repaired, and get it back right away so we can get that in before we're done. So yeah, it's really looking good though. You can see here they don't have the diamond shield. You can see a little bit of the old diamond shield right here. And of course they'll clean that up, and they'll clean this front up and then put the diamond shield on. That'll probably be next week sometime.
So while we're here at NIRVC, we realized there was a minor league ballpark in the area, and we always love seeing minor league baseball. So today we're going to catch the very last game of the season between the Gwinnett Stripers, which are AAA for the Atlanta Braves, and one of the teams I've always wanted to see just because I love the name, the Jacksonville Jumbo Shrimp from the Miami organization. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, they don't want to.
We're going to be on the front row.
Front row!
Front row!
One of these is Tom's.
Look at these awesome condos right here. I mean, you got a front row seat to all the games. That is really cool. I'm liking this park.
Front row.
Yep, so today we're doing Diamond Shield. They came from
Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Fort Wayne, Indiana to get us done. So kind of the last piece to the puzzle to get everything put back together is we're getting a new wheel, front right wheel, because they, you know, the impact hit that wheel. And so they're replacing that, and then they're gonna do a full front end alignment here. Stacy and I left early this morning. We brought the RV to the automotive place here. It was about 30 some miles away, and then we'll be going back to NIRVC this afternoon for, you know, a few minor things that they're gonna do, but she's looking good, and this ought to get her back on the road. We'll be happy to get Freedom back going again.
So maybe a mile and a half from NIRVC in Lawrenceville is Rabbit Hill Park. This is a great county park with tons to do, really, really nice paved walking trails. It's always been freshly mowed when we've been here. The restrooms are clean, and you can get some exercise, enjoy the sunshine. They have dog parks. They have all types of, there's volleyball courts and basketball courts and soccer fields, baseball, football, all kinds of fun stuff to do, and tons of parking. So let's go for a walk. Come on, Star.
One thing I love about this park and the awesome trail is, well, and it's bike friendly too. I mean, this is a bike and hike trail. So, but is that the shade? I mean, look at this shade. This is awesome. Probably about half of all the trails are shaded, and some of them, you know, you're totally surrounded in trees. So that's pretty neat. I mean, it's very relaxing, and our weather here, since we've been here most of the time, has been tremendous. We had 3 or 4 days in a row that it rained, but other than that, the temperatures have been perfect, pretty much. Yeah, making the most of a tough situation.
Star is having a great time visiting with the squirrels.
Yeah, she is. And this is beautiful. Take a look at this.
Oh yeah. He's too quick for you, Star.
Well, here it is. This is our last step in the entire process. We are getting washed today. And yep, they're gonna wash and detail us, hey! But yeah, it's been about 3 weeks. We had to wait for some parts and stuff. Our steps took a little while to come in. We got new steps, and then our wheel on one side that they replaced took a while. And then we also got a couple of warranty items done while we were here. Those parts were delayed, but they got them in, got them put in right when they got here. So we're done. We're gonna show you the rig after this and how it looks, but I'm telling you, it looks phenomenal. We're really excited. We're gonna leave today and we're headed to a Hoots rally. And yeah, he's taking care of us here, getting us washed up, and yeah, we'll show you what the rig looks like now.
Well, the day has come. We are hitting the road. We are all taken care of here at National Indoor RV Center in Atlanta, well, Lawrenceville. They did a fantastic job, and yeah, we are ready to go.
Yeah.
Check this out.
If you remember what this looked like before, I'm gonna put it right here and show you what it looked like before. And now, that's what it's like. You can see my reflection, I think, there. Man, the body shop crew here did a phenomenal job.
Oh my gosh, and we were able to get a couple of warranty items taken care of while we were here also. So all in about 3 weeks, like I think you said. And yeah, it took a little longer getting parts, just like everything else. But boy, am I happy with the final final results.
And they washed us up, so now we're on our way to Alabama.
Gulf Shores, Alabama.
Gulf Shores, Alabama, to a Hoots rally.
We didn't even know about this organization before we got here and met Buddy and Jeanette. Hey y'all. So we are gonna go meet some Hoots.
Yeah, we're gonna go meet some Hoots and have a fun week.
It should be a hoot.
We're gonna take you along. Hi, Star and Astro.
Hi, babies. Y'all ready to go?
Here we go.